Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a Western Kentucky cornfield where a Challenger MT740 tractor is on grain cart duty in a fast-paced corn harvest. In this video, I will share with you the specifications of the tractor, as well as talking about the grain handling capacity of the two CLAAS Lexion combines harvesting the crop and the Unverferth grain cart that is hauling the grain from the combines to waiting trucks. But first, let's head out to the field to take in all this corn harvesting action. The Challenger MT740 tractor was introduced for model year 2018 and remains a current model in year 2020. It's manufactured by the AGCO Corporation in Jackson, Minnesota. It is powered by an AGCO Power 9.8-liter, 7-cylinder, 598 cubic inch engine, rated at 405 engine horsepower and 310 PTO horsepower. The MT740 features an AGCO AccuVT stepless transmission. This continuous variable transmission offers infinite speeds from 65 feet per hour up to 25 miles per hour without shifting. This tractor is manufactured with a standard 180-gallon diesel fuel tank. Customers can order additional auxiliary fuel tanks to take the tractor's diesel fuel capacity up to 257 gallons. The tractor is also fitted with a 21-gallon diesel exhaust fluid tank for clean engine solutions. This mid-range Challenger MT700 series tractor weighs in from the factory at 33,443 pounds and can be field weighted up to 41,000 pounds. This Challenger tractor and Unverferth grain cart are constantly on the move during the corn harvest. They're keeping up with a pair of Class 8, 456 horsepower CLAAS Lexion 750 TerraTrack combines, equipped with Drago GT 12-row 30-inch corn heads. These big combines are clearing off a swath of 30 feet of corn on every pass, traveling anywhere from 5.5 to 6.5 miles per hour, depending on the crop conditions. When the combine's 330 bushel grain tank is full, it swings out its 29-foot unloading auger to unload at 3.8 bushels per second. This Challenger MT740 tractor is operating an Unverferth 1115 X-Treme grain cart. This cart will hold 1,100 bushels of corn and is equipped with a 20-inch diameter unloading auger that will move out 620 bushels of corn per minute. tractor's got really nice matching speed for the combine, good smooth ride.
Absolutely, we can adjust the speed within a tenth of a mile an hour, and if you really know where the combine's running, you can set your cruise control to it and it'll be a single button push. He and I do not have radio contact back and forth on this, so I'm just setting my speed at 5.5, and when he starts doing that, I'm going to speed up just a touch.
I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in this Western Kentucky cornfield during the harvest with the Challenger MT740 tractor. Does your farming operation rely on Challenger tractors? I'd like to hear about it in the comments section below this video. If you have enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.